that you're looking at, and you know that it says FedEx, but then there's also symbolism hidden in that, which communicates on a deeper level, and any kind of good logo will do that. It'll be recognizable to your conscious mind, but then it will also suggest to your subconscious what that company does, or some characteristic contained in that pictographic representation.
Yeah, but the fascinating phenomenon with subliminal influences is you're unaware of it. On a conscious level, you're unable to depict this. This is why they call it information that bypasses below the psychological. Subliminal now information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example of subliminal below the psychological threshold is where you can play music. You could have music, and then you could insert or ingrain a lower level of dialogue in the song where you cannot perceive it consciously, but it's on a subconscious level. You could pick up on the dialogue, you could pick up on the information, and this can program your subconscious mind, right? So subliminal, you're incapable of perceiving it. Subliminal now is information that bypasses above the physiological threshold. So one example is a coffee shop may set the room at a very specific temperature to induce customers to do two things. The coldest is at a specific temperature to induce